Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat public profile option not showing. For example, if you have a Snapchat account and if you want to create a public profile on Snapchat, then there is no option available to that. Then how you can fix that? For first of all, I will tell you how you can see your public profile option or where it is available. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat and you have to click on Bitmoji profile. And if you scroll it down, then here the option is available. But if you do not have that option, then how you can get that? For this, you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to simply scroll it down and you have to search for I need help, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport that you do not have the my profile public profile option. And if you search for public profile, then they will tell you about how do here you have to click on how do I create a public profile. And after that they are providing the detail to tap your on your Bitmoji and tap to my profile, and you have to click on public profile. But if you have already tried that and it is not available, then here you have to click on this article detailed help, and after that you have to simply submit on it. And here you have to also search for public profile eligibility, and if you get the eligibility, which means if you are greater than 18 and you fulfill all the criteria and you still didn't have the public profile, then here you have to click on not, and again you have to click on this article didn't answer my question, and here you have to search for community guidelines. And after that you can simply connect to Snapchat Sport, and they will tell you about the detail and help you in the best possible way as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.